Hi, my name is Jim Janessi. I'm here to introduce this tutorial on how to use the Windows 10 camera app. The Windows 10 camera app is built into Windows 10, and I'm going to show you how to find it. I'm going to show you how to make some one-time settings in both the camera app and in Windows itself so that you can use this to record a lecture just like I'm recording right now. I am recording this with the very same application. Once I do the setup and show you how to do that, you will see me actually make this video using the Windows Camera app. It's kind of unusual, but in this case, you get to see the product before you get to see how to make it. With that in mind, let me introduce the first of the videos in this playlist. The first one does the setups. The second one shows you how to actually create a video like this.